Hey guys, it's Yvette. Hi, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. And I am going to be opening right now the Lola beauty box. And I'm thinking that this is probably one I'm going to cancel. You know, once again, I've gotten this box and I know that I'm not the only one who has said this, so I don't know if they watch us YouTubers opening their boxes, but I can tell that there still might not be enough packing in there. It sounds better than last month, because last month, I'm telling you, it sounded like there was nothing holding things in there. I mean, it was all just, it sounded like a rattle. So I'm not sure. It's just, I am getting quite a few makeup boxes, and there's only so much makeup I can wear. So I'm trying to sort of like dwindle down the boxes, as you guys know. So just give me your opinion on what you think. But let's open up this Lola box and see what's inside this month. Okay, so I open it up and it looks like this, which is actually really pretty inside. And it does have some of that lovely paper that I love, just because the cats love it so much. And the card says, "Beauty is universal." And then, of course, you know, the barely legible, you can hardly read this. I mean, I put on reading glasses and it's still very difficult. I mean, I do type it up for you guys, but it's ridiculous how small, and it's all in caps. It's difficult to read, but they do give you everything, and I think, and they give you prices as well. So I'll put that all down below in the description box so that you'll have all that information if you'd like to discover any of these products for yourself. Okay, so the first thing I see, it's Kaolin Just Mineral Eye Polish. Okay, that sounds interesting. So that's what the box looks like. It says 100% raw mineral built-in sponge tip, brilliant shades, velvety smooth. How to use, I was looking for that. Using built-in sponge tip applicator, apply gently on your eye area as desired. For a subtle hint of color, wear it dry. For long-lasting matte, opaque look, apply with bright on eye balm. Okay. All right. Here's what it looks like. Let's take it out of the box. Well, you can't take it out of the box because if you look, well, you can't take it out of the top, because if you look, the box is bigger on the bottom and smaller on the top. So if you try to pull it out this way, yeah, it's not going to fit because it's too big. So you got to open it from the bottom. Okay. So, and of course there's a hole in the bottom. I don't know why. Okay. Oh, geez. You know, sometimes when they design things, they're not thinking about how, you know, how it looks or how useful. You know what I'm saying. User-friendly? I don't know. So here's the little bottle, and it says that it's the flavor is just natural, just mineral, just mineral. So let me put a little dab on my hand here. Okay, so here's what it looks like. The little applicator. It's a little sponge. Okay, the sponge is actually hard. Like, it's not soft and malleable. You know what I mean? And I can't get any on the... Alright, well, it's very difficult to get anything out of there. It doesn't even look like it's got... I don't even know how much it's got in there. But here's what it looks like. Can you see how it's sort of like that copper color? Trying to turn it in a way that you'd see it really good. So it's not bad. That's actually, I mean, it's a pretty color and everything. I just wish you could get more out of the bottle. I don't know. I mean, all the way around the top here, it looks completely dry. Maybe if I shake it up a little bit. I don't really hear anything in there. and it's still dry. Like you can't, okay, I don't think that there's very much in here. So it's obviously a sample. I'm hoping, because if it comes like that, then I would definitely never buy this again. I mean, it's so hard to get anything out. I mean, I had to like rub it 3 times to get that. That's not even an eyeball size. Okay. Okay, so I like the idea of this. I'm not sure that the execution is going as they planned. I don't know. Okay. The next thing is called Globy Glory. Try saying that fast. .com. It says, every glow girl and glow boy's fave semi-matte liquid lipstick, Glow by Glory. Glow tips. Add a dash of moisture before applying and you'll be ready to glow, doll. For extreme intensity, let the first layer dry and then reapply. And it says made with love. Isn't that cute? And there's the front. And I just read all that to you. And let's see what it looks like inside. Okay. Okay, so it looks like that. And the color is... Hold up. And I know I can't keep these on because it'll reflect in the light, but let's see. Honey Bun. Okay. It's called Honey Bun. And, okay, so there's the applicator. Once again, a color I would never wear. I just don't like it. These are just not my color. I mean, this that I put on, that's my color. This, I don't know. It's got too much brown in it. Obviously, it's the bottom one. And, you know, it's funny because they're saying put a second layer for, like, more opaqueness. And I guess that's true, but it actually looks pretty opaque already. It seems to have pretty good coverage. I don't know. Okay, so that's cool. And I mean, it's cool, but so far it's nothing that I would use. I'm not so sad about canceling right at this moment. I'm just saying, you know, just throwing it out there. Okay, so the next thing is a mascara by Hikari, and it's Jet, which is black, and that's all I use anyway. I know a lot of people, I mean, eyeliners I would like to get different colors, but I like black mascara. So there it is. And let's open it up, check out the wand. Alright, so it's a square bottle. And okay, so I mean, it looks pretty standard actually. Doesn't look like there's anything really special about it to me. But sometimes, you know, it's deceiving, and these will be like the best mascaras ever. I mean, you never know. That's why it's like I totally try all the mascaras if I'm interested in any remote way. I think what I would do is probably like look at reviews of what other people say before I make a decision on, because I could just leave it in here and give it away, you know, and not have to worry. Okay, so the next thing is there are 3 masks, and here, I love when they're pretty, when they're like girly and stuff. So this is definitely pretty and girly. I like that. The first one says hydrating facial sheet mask, all nighter, awaken, replenish, and refresh. The next one says, oh, they're all hydrating. Okay. The next one says Detox Diva. It will cleanse, exfoliate, and detoxify. And the last one says Beauty Restore. Restore, regenerate, repair. Those are cute. I've got, listen, at this point, I've got masks like practically flying out my butt. I know that sounds horrible, but it's true. I've got so many masks in this house now. It's not even funny. I probably have enough masks for 3 months and using like 2 to 3 a week. I mean, that's how many masks I have at this point, which is why this is crazy. I've got to stop some of these boxes. Okay, but very cute masks. All right, and I think this is the last thing. Oops. And it looks like it's a palette. Okay, so it's by Beauty Creations. And I actually have never heard of that. It's called Tease Me. And there are no hints on the back as to what that is. So let's open it up. It slides right out, and here's the palette. And it's eyeshadows. And, okay, it's not bad. There are some metallics, some that are not metallics, obviously. And I like how all of the names of the colors are written right on there. Sometimes they put them on the back and you're having to like flip over, flip over, flip over. Not that it really matters, I guess, what the name of it is. I don't know. But anyways, I do like that. I think that's cute. But this will be going to somebody else because I don't use the eyeshadow like that. And yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I'll be giving that away. Okay, so that's everything in the box. And, you know, while I was really enjoying, like, getting the makeup boxes, and I still am, I just think I get way too many of them. And this is one that I don't think I would be, like, heartbroken to not get this one anymore. And let me know what you guys think. Do you agree with me? Did you get the box? Do you like all of these products? I mean, just kind of let me know where we are. And I will see you guys later. Bye.